If you write code in Python, then I'm willing to bet that you've made at least one of the mistakes that I'm going to show you in this video. The first mistake, which is using mutable default parameters. Now, a parameter is one of the variables that you have as the inputs to your functions or to your methods. The error here occurs when you have something that is the optional parameter value that is mutable. Now, I want to show you what happens when we run this example code. You would expect that we're going to get a list that contains one fruit, which is apple, and one name, which is Tim. Right? Because when we append without passing the list, it should be an empty list, and then we should just get two separate lists here. However, watch when I run this code and see what the output is, and notice that we get the same list twice. So let me show you how we can fix this. Rather than having this mutable value being equal to something like a list, we can actually just make it equal to none. Then inside of our function, we can say if my_list is equal to none, then what we can do is we can say my list is equal to a new list. Now, by doing this inside of the function, we end up creating a new list every time the function is called, rather than using a reference to the same list that's created when the program is kind of initialized.